really the strategy that you want to focus on is putting all your energy into the homepage for Los Angeles. You get it ranked in Los Angeles, and you get your GBP, your Google Business Profile, ranked in Los Angeles. Then you check and see if it's ranking in any of these other cities as well.
Oh, okay.
You
So
could,
pretty much it's like a rank in Los Angeles, then I try to rank in Burbank, then every city I want to like service, and I just try to rank in those cities pretty much.
if you're not already ranking in there. So there's a good chance, like Donnie said, that when you rank in Los Angeles, it's going to automatically start showing up in Burbank, Pasadena, and surrounding cities. But every now and then there might be too much competition in one of those cities. Then you go and build a service page and start doing SEO targeting that, and then you should be able to rank in that city. A good example, bro, is I ranked for Dryer Vent Cleaning Nashville. That was my first GBP and website, right? So that's the GBP, and that's the website right there. And then I noticed that I wasn't ranking in Franklin, which, by the way, it's a smaller town, but it's a richer town. All right. It's funny because I set up this one right here and ranked it and had it ranked for years. It's really helped out with, leads, like lead flow and customer acquisition and everything. What's so funny though is from time to time now I'm starting to see the original one showing up now for Dryer Vent Cleaning Franklin, Tennessee. So it's like both of them are taking up top spots there. And
quick question. So is that like two different Google accounts, or like it's all under the same thing?
Two completely separate Google accounts.
Okay. I get what you're saying. All right.
So this is where this is where search engine optimization gets interesting, because now you're able to rank multiple GBP. You're able to set up multiple GBPs if you need to, and rank it in multiple cities.
That's a G code.
That's a G code, man. But I'm gonna take it a step further. Let's say that eventually you want to get into air duct cleaning. Well, that's what we did when I decided to get into air duct cleaning. I just did the reverse. And now I'm focused on the service. Can I get the service ranked in the city that I already ranked for, but only rank for dryer vent cleaning related search terms? Can I get my GBP to rank for air duct cleaning related search terms? Right? Air duct cleaning. Let's see. Nashville, Tennessee. And I was able to get that done too. So like with SEO, it gives you such a lethal advantage over your competition when you, especially when you know the SEO, when you are the expert at marketing your business. It makes it really hard for anybody to compete with you, because if they do compete with you on your level, they're going to have to pay a lot of money to an expert that knows what they're doing. And a lot of times, even just finding the expert in the first place, it is like searching for a needle in the haystack, because there's so many scammers out here.
It seems like you're going toe to toe with they rank you no way to get past them. So it seems that's what it's giving.
Yeah, and they all guarantee you. Oh, we guarantee you a top spot. Yeah.
Yeah. There's no guarantee of top spot. I'll tell you what we do though, because me and Justin are getting into SEO. We do have a guarantee, but here's our guarantee. So we typically do like a 8-month or 12-month contract or whatever. And if we don't have you ranking in the top 3, then we work for free until you're there. So we keep on at it and do it that way. But there's no guarantee that like we Google, although there is a science to Google, just like anything else, sometimes Google throws you a monkey wrench and you never saw it coming.
Yeah. Yep. I bet your competition hates you up there.
I don't know. I kind of do feel some hate, man. Sometimes.
I know you've got the 2 top spots in dryer vent cleaning, and then you've got the number 2 spot and air duct cleaning.
Yeah,
They hate me.
man, I hope not, because I love them. You know what I mean? I ain't got no hard feelings or anything. Sometimes I
Yeah,
worry though.
because you got 3 of the top 6 spots, man. Of course
Yeah,
you don't
man.
have the gate.
Yeah, dude. This is something that I have thought about a couple of times, but I don't know if I will do it, because the more I think about it, the more I wonder, is this even ethical? But I've thought about setting up completely different businesses with completely different names, completely different brands, but it's just a brand. It's not an actual business. Dryer Vent Tech is the business. I just rank the brand on Google and route the calls to Dryer Vent Tech and take up all the spots. Take up all the spots. But then I'm like, man, now I'm putting people out of business, and they're putting, like the struggling families and stuff.
That's what I think that's what the Rothschilds did with the I forgot what the oil industry. They did something like that with the oil industry.
That's something you need to test out here in the Houston market. So, yeah.
I'm looking it up though. A lot of them go for the sponsored results, trying to on the Google. So they're trying to compete with the sponsor results. I see a couple 69 whole dryer vent cleaning, Nashville, Tennessee, $69 for a whole dryer vent cleaning. Some of those, yeah.
Yeah. They
$69 specials. Let's see here. Yeah, clean freshness, be fresh services, window ninjas, portable dryer vent cleaning, honest prices, no hidden fees.
Yeah.
Man, I won't even do an inspection for $69 anymore.
Yeah, I know, right?
Nope.
That's crazy.
Much less the dryer vent cleaning.
Yeah, there are $60 for the whole dryer vent cleaning. Everything included, comprehensive.
Crazy. Crazy.
Cleaning and safety inspection.
You know they lying.
There was a guy here doing it $40 for the cleaning, $40 for the cleaning, $20 to clean the dryer itself.
Yikes.
So $60 for everything. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Something ain't right. Something's rotten in the cotton.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Good deal. So we'll move on real quick to Jason. Jason, you were on first, weren't you? No, it was right after Donnie. But anyway, either way, go ahead, Jason. You have a question? I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching dusty lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.